After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
What's your location on Crystal Hill? You're northbound on Hughes.
Lieutenant Springs, 1022. Lost me.
Devil.
Call Noonan off.
The 911 tried to call you, still in the voicemail.
On Airport Freeway.
Airport Freeway.
Going by the airport. On the airport. I already attempted a pit. Spun out of it. Yes, I am. CNW 7086. CNW 7086.
I got you. How many occupants?
Looks to be 3 at least.
3 occupants?
Yes.
Yes.
He keeps trying to brake check me.
Alright, so driver is brake checking 791.
On a Circle K on Airport Thruway.
Circle K on Airport
Coming up
Freeway.
on Miller Road.
You still on Airport?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming up on Miller Road exit. That looks like he damaged his front left tire. Red light on Miller, red light on Midway. Hello?
Hey, we lost signal.
Yeah, we're on Miller Road. He just threw something out on Miller Road and United Fence to the left side, driver's side. We're on Miller Road, coming up on the gas tanks.
Okay.
We're going past Bishop, Miller Road, Bishop,
Miller and Bishop.
heading towards Genshin. Lots of traffic.
Lots of traffic.
Crossing Genshin.
Okay.
Cross Junction, still on Miller, past Grady Drive, coming up on Macon Road.
Coming up on Macon Road. Okay.
Red light, red light.
Red light.
Went through the red light. We're turning on Crystal Drive off of Macon Road, Crystal Drive.
Turning on the Crystal from Macon.
Crystal Drive, Crystal Court.
Alright. Still on Crystal Drive or on the Crystal Court?
Crystal Drive, pulling into a housing area, trailer park.
Housing area, trailer park on Crystal Drive. You gotta circle back around to Macon Road, 791. Got an update?
Coming back out of the Crystal Drive.
Crystal Drive.
Back to Macon Road.
Okay.
Through another red light going across Macon.
Across Macon, Blazer Light.
Turn on Arnold Drive, Lakeshore Drive. On Arnold.
All right, right on Arnold. Got an update?
Arnold Drive. Coming up on the intersection. Miller Road, back to Miller Road.
All right, make a right or left on Miller?
Right on Miller.
Right on Miller.
All right, we're stopped. We're stopped on Miller, right in front of the school.
Stopped on Miller in front of the school.
Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Get the hands out of the fucking window!